guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So today is another do-it-yourself video. So believe it or not, I've already measured out my ingredients. So we'll be using aloe vera. Now again, going with chemicals. This is Lily of the Desert. It looks yellow, but it's actually clear. That's the bottle. It has no synthetics, no parabens, no chemicals that are nasty, no dyes. That's really, don't want to get that green aloe that's at the store. That's not good. Okay, so I usually get this from vitacost.com or at my local health food store. So we'll be using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. And then we'll be using about 5 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil. I use Jason's vitamin E oil just because, again, it doesn't have any parabens, synthetics, any hidden crap in it. Okay, and then we'll be using 10 drops of Thieves Essential Oil. That's from Young Living. And then we'll also be using 1 teaspoon of a distilled water, or you can boil water, let it cool all the way, and use it that way. Okay, all right, so let's get started. I'm going to open this up. Now, aloe vera, especially this real aloe vera, is very thick. So I wasn't able to measure that out and spoon it out. So I'm going to be squirting it in if it decides to participate. Just squirt in my little bottle here. Now I do have a towel down for this reason. You could try and use a funnel. They have little bitty funnels, but honestly, your best bet is just to squeeze your little bottle and then let the squeeze off, and it just kind of sucks it down in there. And of course, depending on what size bottle you're using, you can always alter your ingredients list a little bit as far as how many tablespoons. Okay, so I'm only at about 1. Alright, so I have about 2 tablespoons. I made a total mess with the aloe, but that's okay. That's kind of what do-it-yourself is, right? So we've got, that was 2 tablespoons. We've got 1 tablespoon of our witch hazel. And this bottle is a little bit smaller than my other bottle. So I'm not going to put the whole tablespoon. I'm just going to do about half of that. 5 drops of vitamin E oil. I don't like using 10. I just feel like it's a little too greasy for me. A little bit of water. And then our Thieves drops. So we want to do at least 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 for good measure. All right, let's see how we did. So you want to give it a good shake. Now mine's going to be a little different color than this clear one. It's going to be more cloudy. So let's give it a try. And really you only need a couple drops. What we want is we don't want any sticking, and we want a quick dry. So let's see if that's what we have. Good deal. All right, success. So look, my hands are not sticking together. They're drying fast. They're not greasy. And they smell amazing. All right, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave those below. There will be a link on here if you want more information about essential oils. And I will see you next time. Take care.